Bye.
Try not to be bald when I come back. Because all your hair's dropped out.
Yep. This is gonna be fun. Hello, so today is gonna be great fun. So for a very long time I wanted to dye my hair platinum blonde. Don't ask me why, it's just something that I've always really wanted to do, and my mum's always been like, yeah, no, you should try it because, you know, you're blonde as a baby. I was blonde when I, like, you know, entered this world. So I thought, you know, why not go back?
You smart.
I do feel sort of guilty because I literally only just had my hair cut, so it's actually in really good condition right now. And, you know, my hair hasn't been this nice or this long in a very long time. But I've been saying for a very long time that I'm gonna dye it blonde, and today is the day. I know it's not gonna be bright blonde because I'm not using bleach, so it's never gonna be this or this or this. But it might be a lighter colour. But either way, it's going to be fun and exciting, and I can't wait to try it. Look at my hair now and appreciate, because it's not going to look like this again for probably a very long time. I've been growing out my hair since I cut it into a bob like this last year? No, 2 years ago now. And I've been growing it out ever since, and it's taken me 2 years to, you know, grow my hair this much. And now I'm probably going to destroy it and end up having to cut it all off again. I have plans for my hair. So basically what I want to do is go blonde, platinum blonde, you know, like, yeah, this. This is going to be me, and I appreciate that that will completely destroy all of my hair. And one of the other things that I've always wanted to do is get an undercut. Is it called that? I feel like I said that weird. I don't know. You know, when you shave the bottom of your hair. I did used to want to really get them, I'm not sure anymore, but either way, at the end, eventually when it's so destroyed, I do want to shave my head. So that's my end goal. So I happened to come across this company called Bleach London, and it just so happens to be vegan and cruelty free. So that's so exciting because I am vegan and I wouldn't want to do anything for fun that would cause harm to any animals, and I am very glad to have found this company that allows me to mess around with my hair and not cause harm to others. All of their packaging is recycled and stuff. This box is made from recycled cardboard. So yeah, what I've got is no bleach, white toner so it's not yellow, and then I've got rosé hair colouring, which is semi-permanent. First things first, I need to get changed into some crappy clothes that I don't give a toss about. Give a toss, haha. I'm so London British, ha. I'm a very inexperienced hair bleacher dyeing person. I've done this like once before. I tried and ended up ginger. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I have a hair clip and I'm gonna read the instructions. How else do you know what you're doing? You may need more than one pack if your hair is long, thick, or hasn't been dyed before. Oh. It's always a good idea to have another pack to hand just in case one runs out before you finish colouring. Great, why didn't I read the box before? Apply Bleach London Scalp Saviour first. Oh crap. I don't have any of this stuff that, oh great, I do not have Scalp Saviour. So each one of these things was basically about £8, just so you know. I should have got 2 boxes. I don't think these were really close to fit. May expand and explode. Always perform a skin sensitivity test 48 hours prior. Well, we don't have time for that, so that's unfortunate. You know, skin. Okay, cool. Did not do a skin test. Hoping for the best. It is important to carry out a hair strand test. Nah. Wash and towel dry hair. Okie dokie. Okay, I have washed my hair. Alrighty. So stay hydrated. I feel like my hair's gonna be too wet for this. Yeah. Who cares? Remove the lid from the developer bottle. Break the colorant tube seal with its lid. This is scaring me. I'm really nervous. I don't want this to go wrong because I don't have any backup. Pour contents of both into the mixing bowl and stir together using the tint brush provided until all the product has mixed. The mixture should be a smooth, creamy consistency. It's just like cooking. This is like bloody chemistry class. Does this like go off if I leave it out too long? Because I feel like this is gonna take me ages. Mom's home, when's the sun? She thick. I feel like this definitely isn't going to cover my hair. Oh boy. Hello! Apply immediately after mixing. Do not wait more than 2 to 3 minutes. Does this like go off if I leave it out? So I should read ahead.
I've got some vegan sour topping, like sour cream.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know.
Should have read ahead. Me. My battery's got my backup battery in. Time to start. Right, part how it's centered. Using the tint brush. Oh, it's supposed to be smooth, but it's not, it's lumpy. But it said not to wait more than 2 minutes. Ah! You need to work through the hair quickly to guarantee even results. Thanks.
So you're going to have blonde roots and dark ends at this rate?
Yep. Oh well, it'll be like highlights, but just bright. Half head. Stinging a bit, but I'm sure that's fine. Oh, it's really stinging. Oh my god, it really stinks. Ow, ow. Oh my god, it already looks different. Oh my god, it's already working. This is gonna be so uneven and I can just tell already. What if I have half a head that's blonde? Oh my god. How do I... Oh, it's already ginger. Oh my god. Can you see that? It's already gone ginger. What the hell? I'm rushing now. I feel like that's probably a regrettable action. Oh my god. Hey Siri. Hey, call Mother Mobile.
Which phone number for Mother, mobile, or home?
Mobile.
Which Reach by number for mother, mobile, or home.
Mobile. Mobile.
Reach
Mobile.
by number for mother, mobile, or home.
Mobile.
Calling mother, mobile.
Thank you. Hey Siri, set a timer for 45 minutes.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Not quite.
Okay, your new timer is running at 45 minutes.
Okay, I look like I could cast for Riverdale. I will see you in 45 minutes to an hour. Bye. Been an hour, time to wash this out. Probably gonna get more bleach tomorrow and bleach it again because I'm currently just like a dark ginger. My camera keeps blacking out, I don't know why. I think I'm gonna put on the reincarnation mask that comes with the bleach and then leave it there until tomorrow when I will go back to Boots and buy another bleach box and then bleach again and white tone it and maybe put in the pink. Look. Oh my god, look at that. That's crazy. There's no point doing anything more with this until this is a lighter colour because this is still like a good dark brown. Dipsy with the same colour. So I've washed that out now and I'm just gonna blow dry it to see what it actually looks like dry so I can have a good comparison for tomorrow when I bleach it again and destroy my hair even more.